Okay, the first video I have for you is types of lines and angles. Now this should be a review of things, but I'm going to kind of go over a lot of things that will help you out in this short chapter, and it will help you actually in chapter 13 and part of 14. Now, when I have different types of lines, we have lines that will look like this, and they will usually have points on them. Now, most of you know that this is parallel lines. Now, this is how we will write this. We will write this as line AB is parallel to line CD. But also knowing that it's commutative, I can write this as line BA is parallel to line DC. Now those of you who know more know that I can switch the letters around some more, but this is a shortcut way how to say that line AB is parallel to line CD because they never touch. First type was parallel. The second type of line these are intersecting lines. And this is how you would write this. Line AB intersects with line CD. Notice the little intersection. Now when we do this and they intersect, sometimes we'll get another point in here. They will intersect at point E. At point E. Now this is the second type of line, intersecting lines. Here is the third type, and I will do my best. This part right here will always let you understand that that is a 90-degree angle. I'll go ahead and do my usual points. This is a perpendicular line. These lines cross and they make a 90-degree angle. Now, I would write this as line AB is perpendicular, you see the right angle on either side, is perpendicular to line CD. Now something that we will be going through with this chapter is if I have a 90-degree angle here, that also means I have a 90-degree angle here, 90-degree angle here, 90-degree angle here, which gives us a grand total of 360 degrees. Now, to recap, I had parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular lines. These are the three types of lines. Now, you've also got different types of angles. Now, one of the very first angles you ever saw probably looked like this. This is what we call an acute angle. Now, where we've got to go further is we will actually have points on our angle. And I will call this points A, B, and C. Now this is how we would write this, that this is angle ABC, or this is angle CBA. Here's something I need to point out. B is the vertex, because I've got a ray BA on this side, and I've got a ray BC on this side. And when you put two rays together, you end up getting an angle. Now, where the rays start is called the vertex. Notice that this is in the center of my angle. Thus, when you write your angles, B will be in the center when you name them. So this is an acute angle. It looks cute. It's small. It is 90 degrees less than 90 degrees is an acute angle. It's less than 90 degrees. My second type of angle, if you remember back in second grade, is you will have something like this. You will have an obtuse angle because it is wide. We would write this as angle ABC or angle or angle CBA. I almost forgot that my center of my angle of my two rays, because I have ray BA and I have ray BC, this is my vertex. In the center, I have my B. Now, an obtuse angle will always be greater than 90 degrees, but actually less than 180 degrees. This is something you just had to know along the way. Now, our third type of angle is one that everybody seems to remember, because it always has that little symbol there. I'm going to put different points this time. You see the 3 points. Now, if you were going to be naming this at home, you would name this angle YZW or angle WZY. Why is the Z in the middle?
Because it's the vertex.
Very good. Because it is the vertex. It is the middle. This is 90 degrees. Exactly 90 degrees makes it a right angle. Now, the last type of angle that we have,
straight.
Very good, Ben, is we have what is called a straight angle. It is when you have what looks like a straight line, but you actually have a vertex. Because I have a ray starting this way. I have ray AC. And on this side, I actually have ray AB. So two rays. This makes it 180 degrees. It is called a straight angle. Straight line has 180 degrees. This is a huge part of the chapter. So if you think about it, before you click me off, I've got 3 types of lines. I've got 4 types of angles. These are things that you need to know. If you think back to our old chapter 12, or no, chapter 11, how many different combinations could I have of lines and angles? Ben,
I don't know.
you didn't go through this with me. If I've got 3 lines and 4 angles, 3 times 4 is
12.
12. I have 12 combos.
Sorry.
That's okay. Excellent job.